in a hurry. We're going to take the ferry from Pattaya to Hua Hin. It leaves at 1. It's 12:50. Yeah. So we're in a hurry.
Yeah, it was the last minute decision, so we're gonna run now. Bye bye.
It's a 5-minute walk. And we have 10 minutes. So we gotta hurry up. So we arrived in time. We just went to security check. We have 5 minutes left to board, and we're off to Hua Hin.
We just arrived in Hua Hin and we took the ferry. It was about 2 hours. We took not the economy class but the business class with the luxury options. Unfortunately we couldn't show you all, we weren't allowed. We're here now at the Hua Hin beach and we're about to take a taxi or something else to our hotel resort. It's all the way in the center, so I think it's a 20-minute cab drive. So first we're gonna go there. Hotel and Resort Pattaya. Yeah, we booked this for 2 reasons. One, it is a great resort. Just as I said, the pool is very great. You can work here very good. And second is the name. I'm sorry, but just look at the name. You just want to see this hotel.